So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I am back today to give you guys a review on this cute purple curly pixie wig. Now I received this wig from EAYON hair, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details concerning this wig, and I will also let you guys know about their current Black Friday promotion. But they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig, so y'all can see that it's a real pretty deep purple wig. I decided to do a purple smoky eye that I'm not really feeling, but you know, it's still cute. I went ahead and filled in my brows purple, and I topped it off with a nude glossy lip. Okay, so I like her. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys all the tea about this wig, so if you are interested in hearing about all that good stuff, then keep watching. So for this video, I am going to give you guys the details about this wig first. Then I'm going to show you guys the construction of this wig and also show you guys how I installed it. Then of course, I will let you know my final thoughts about this wig. And then, as I stated in the intro, I will let you guys know about their Black Friday promotion. So this is the second time that I've worked with EAYON hair. I worked with them before and it was a headband wig, so I will link that down below in the description box as well as in the cards. But I was really excited that they asked me to review this wig. This type of purple is definitely a purple that I like. I like a dark purple, and I just thought it was a really cute. So I'm going to be looking at my notes to make sure I don't leave any information out. So again, this is from EAYON hair. This is their pre-styled 13x4 T-part colored pixie cut curly bob lace wig. Now it retails for $112, but of course, if you don't want to pay $112 in one sitting, you can get the payments divided into 4 by using Zip, and that will be 4 payments of $28. Now the color is purple, the density is 150%. Cap construction once again is a 13x4 T-part, and it's on the left side. As y'all can see, there's 4 combs and there is an adjustable strap. Now this wig is also 6 inches. It lasts up to a year, and the lace color is a transparent lace. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the construction of the wig and how the wig looked before I installed it. I did film myself installing it. I don't know if I'm gonna insert the full clip in this video or not, but I definitely will be showing you guys the construction of this wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the clip.
Which way to go? Think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Ooh, hey, ooh, I'm trying to decide which way to go. Think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? Try to move, but I lost my way. Didn't you know? Didn't you know?
I've said in a video before, when it comes to installing lace front wigs, I have my good days and I have my bad days. Sometimes I can install it like a piece of cake. Other times I cannot. The whole thing with the bald cap method, still not my favorite thing to do, but you know, I went ahead and did it anyways for this wig. I did glue this wig down, so everything that I used to glue down this wig and all that, I will leave it down below in the description box for you guys. But I did cut some baby hairs right here, and I cut some right here and just laid them. I was trying to have these sideburns, but you know, when it came to the lace, I cut the lace a little bit too much by my ears, but you know, it's still holding on because I did glue it down. Now, when I was gluing the wig down and like laying my baby hairs, I did use the Got To Be spray, and I noticed that this wig definitely was bleeding purple. It was definitely bleeding purple, so that is something that you need to be aware of. Freshly dyed wigs, they will bleed. Over time they'll stop bleeding, but this is your first time, you know, wearing it or using it, the color will definitely bleed. It didn't bleed too much, but I do want to let you guys know that the wig will possibly bleed for you if you use, you know, hairspray or any of that. So the T part, you know, the part is cute. The way I did my baby hairs, I'm not too, you know, I'm not a fan of how it's looking right now. I'm not gonna keep this wig on long. I just really have it for this review. But I mean, the part is not bad. Like, I don't hate it. It's just how I did my baby hairs over here and all that. It just looks kind of weird to me. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front, side, back, other side. So I didn't brush it out or anything. I did not put any water in it. I did put a little bit of mousse throughout it because I installed this wig last night. Then I went to work today. So yeah, I just applied a little mousse in it just to give it, you know, a little pop of the curls, but I didn't want to wet it because, like I said, the wig is bleeding. So, but she is definitely cute. She's really cute. I really love this deep purple color, like, yes ma'am. So as promised, I did say that I'll let you guys know about their Black Friday promotion. So their Black Friday promotion has already started. It started on November 12th and it ends on November 30th at 11:59 p.m. So the rules are, if the total amount is over $300, you will be given a wig. Multiple orders during the activity can be accumulated and stacked. The gift activity can be used together with other coupons in the store. They have an extra off coupon code, which is LOVEFANS, LUVFANS. The actual payment amount shall prevail. It's limited 50, so first buy, first serve. And they also said for each person, they said each person can participate only once. The gift will be sent with order from EAYON, and the winners will be announced on December 2nd on EAYON's Instagram. So I will leave the rules about the Black Friday promotion down below in the description box as well, so make sure you guys check that out. If you guys have any questions as far as the Black Friday promotion, don't be afraid to ask me down below in the comments, and I will try my best to answer it for you. If I can't, of course, I will contact EAYON and then I will get back with you with your answer. So y'all know Black Friday is coming up. Definitely take advantage of any sales that you may be interested in, okay? So if you see something nice on EAYON's website, go ahead and get into that Black Friday promotion, okay? But anywho, that pretty much concludes the review for this cute purple pixie wig. So like I said, it's really cute. The color is gorgeous and I love it. So you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the texture, the length, the color. How does it look on me? Let me know all that stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.